A plus content, formerly known as enhanced brand content, is an unique way inside Amazon Seller Central that allows Amazon brand owner to customize the product description by combining elements such as high quality images, enhanced brand design description, comparison charts, and many more. Hi, I am Nusrat from Ecomclips. Today I am going to discuss how we can increase more than 12% sale on Amazon by creating a mosaic arrangement of Amazon A plus content. So let's get started. There are many ways to design an A plus content in Amazon Seller Central for your Amazon product. There are 17 standard modules in Amazon Seller Central, so we can design and add the module as we wish. At Ecomclips, we have been designing Amazon A plus content for the last 5 years, and we have tried many strategies to find a suitable way to design Amazon A plus content that can bring more conversion rates and eventually more sales. And one of them is the mosaic arrangement design. Yes, you get it right. A mosaic is a picture made by arranging the small pieces together as one large image. The term mosaic is likely driven from a Greek word mousa, meaning muse. Mosaics as an art form have been around for thousands of years. Mosaics were first discovered in ancient Mesopotamia, where small pieces of tile were found in a temple from the 3rd millennium BC. See this attached image, where you can see it look one single image, not separate into pieces. We have applied the mosaic art technique in designing A plus content. See this essential oil Amazon A plus content. We have to design all the banners separately in Photoshop and upload them in Amazon sellers to loop them into a single image. To check its effectiveness, we applied A/B testing on two A plus content. One is the usual design A plus and other that we made with mosaic arrangement. Here's the normal one, separated into modules. After 10 weeks, we got the result of Amazon A/B testing, and here is the attached image. In the A/B testing result, we discovered that the probability for the previous design is 58%, but in the other hand, the probability for the mosaic arrangement A plus is 70%. So, we discovered that by designing Amazon A plus content as a mosaic arrangement, we can increase sale by 12%. Amazon itself suggests that version B is better, and we got higher conversion rate and sales from version B. We can say that on Amazon, A plus content can increase your sale, but designing an A plus content in an appealing way can sell more. We have been designing the Amazon A plus content for more than 5 years. If you need any help with designing Amazon A plus content, you can contact us. I hope this video is helpful for you. To get more helpful content like this one, stay tuned with us and don't forget to like, comment and share this video. Please subscribe to our channel Ecomclips and click the bell icon to get the notification for our next video. Thank you.